Hello, my name is Aryamaan, registration number 18Bit0215, and my teammate is Naman Sharma, registration number 18Bit0207, and this is our review for mobile application development. Our project is a plasma donator app, which we are making to regulate the circulation of plasma, which is very helpful for treating coronavirus patients. So. This is our code for the application, and first we have the main activity, which is a flash screen which displays when we open the application first. There are a lot of animations that we have put in here. After that we have the login activity, which regulates the login for the user. As we can see in the code, there is a mauth line that verifies the email and password that is entered by the user, and it verifies whether the credentials entered by the user are correct or not, and it logs in the user according to that. That is the part highlighted right now. Then we have the sign up activity. In case the user is not signed into the application, then he can sign up. He can enter all his details, and first the application will verify if he's already an existing user. If not, we will update the database with all the details that he has provided, and also while taking the details, it will check whether all the details are correctly entered. For example, if the name has matches the required length, or if the email is empty, so it just checks if all the details are correctly mentioned. After that, we have the sign up. Sorry, the next Java file is the dashboard. So in the dashboard, we have in our application we will have a fab symbol, which when you press the fab symbol, it will take you to a request page where you can post the request for plasma in case you have plasma available with you or you are willing to donate. That is the first part, and then after that we have a drawer layout which displays a menu for all the features available in the application. And then at the bottom we have on the top right we will have a option for logout. So this part that we see here, it will take us back to the login page once the logout button is pressed. Then we have the request plasma page, where in case somebody has plasma available with them to donate, they can post a request for plasma. They will enter all the details, the blood type that they have, and their name and their address, and all of this will get updated in the database. So in case anybody requests for blood in a city or plasma in a city, it is available to them, and they know what is there.
And now when the user login, he will go to the fragment pages. Here we have shown the request. We have used a recycler view, where we'll show all the requests which have been put by the users. And so this is a function where we'll add all the posts. Here we are collecting data from the database where all the requests are saved, and we have created a custom user data where the data from the Firebase is stored, and then the adapter is used to show all the data. So this is the request page. Then we have the profile page where the user can update his or her profile. So this is where this is the connection with the database. Here I'm initializing all the variables from the layout, and this is the query page from where the data will be saved. If the data is not null, if so, it will set all the data in the edit text, and if the data, when the user clicks on the button, the data will be saved. So now the next fragment is the search fragment, where the user can search the request according to the blood group and the division or the location. So this is the activity for that. Here when the user searches, So this is the query which which is processed in the database, and all the results are then stored. And with the use of adapt and recycler view, we have shown the data in the layout. So these are the different layout. This is the activity layout, and this is the fragment uh, updated profile layout. And this is the request layout. We have used recycler view here, and this is the achievements layout. This is We have used linear layout and different text view and buttons. So yes, now we'll show the app. So next. So this is the Plasma Donator app. Aryamaan.
Yeah, so first we have the login page here, and this is the sign up page. So here, if the user is not signed up into our application, he can enter all these details here, and if he is, then he can enter his email and password, and he will get logged in. So now when the user is logged in, the first page that he sees is the available requests page. So these are all the people that need blood at the moment, and these requests are being shown using the recycler view that we mentioned in the code. And at the bottom right, we have a fab button where if the user clicks on it, we get the request page. And if the user wants to post a request for plasma, he can mention his details here, and then he can press the request plasma button, and that will update the database with it. Then on the top left, we have the drawer layout where here you can see the user's profile, all his details on this
And
page.
these details we have fetched from the database, and it is shown directly. Now, if the user tries to change his data and click on update profile, it will be directly updated in the database. And this is the achievement layout. We have used linear layout in this, and it is showing if the user has donated once, he cannot donate in the next 120 days. So when the user click yes, so it automatically updates in the database, and now it shows next donation available in 120 days, and he has last donated today. So now he cannot donate in next 120 days. And this.
Then here on this page, the user can search for blood, for plasma more specifically. If he enters the blood group and the city in which he requires the blood, and he searches, then it will display all the nearby plasma donators available to him. And this display of plasma donators is also done using a recycler view. And then the
uh,
next feature that we have.
And now we haven't implemented the nearby hospital. We'll implement it in review 3. So this is the app, and now if the user clicks on logout, he is directed to the login page again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.